Traditional DRM was built on a contradiction. To collaborate, you must give up control. You encrypt a file, send it out, and hope your policies hold. But once data leaves your environment, the risk begins. Kiteworks SafeEDIT eliminates this contradiction entirely. External users edit documents in their browser, but the file never leaves your secure environment. Not encrypted and sent, never transferred at all. Only a video stream of the application reaches the user. No plugins, no agents, no apps to install. Users open their browser and start editing with the full native application experience. Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, even CAD software like SolidWorks and Autodesk Fusion 360. Works with any file type that has a Windows desktop application, not just Office documents or PDFs. Engineering files, design files, specialized industry formats. If there's an application for it, SafeEDIT can stream it. Built-in security at every layer. Dynamic watermarks discourage screenshots. Policies control copy and paste. Enable collaboration within the app while preventing data escape. File locking prevents version conflicts. And every action is captured in comprehensive audit logs. Zero perceptible lag. Virtual desktops spin up instantly. The same experience as native desktop applications, streamed securely to any browser, anywhere. Centralized version management ensures a single source of truth. SafeView provides secure view-only access when editing isn't needed. And OpenTDF integration embeds attribute-based access policies directly within your data. Standards-based DRM that travels with the file. Kiteworks Next-Gen DRM. Collaborate without compromise. Control without custody. Learn more at kiteworks.com.